Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to border thicken in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel and you can see here I have a data with the thicken border. So let's see how it's done. First select the data. So I select here the data. Then go to the home tab. In font group have a borders option. Just click on this drop down arrow. Then you can see here the last option showing the more borders. Just click on it. And here the format cell dialog box is open. Just click on the borders tab and select here the first line style. So I select here the thicken line. I just click on the line and here you can see the border preview here showing. So here when I click on the outline, the thicken line is showing on the preview. I click on the outline and see here the outline thicken line showing. Now I click on the inside. You can see the inside line also here show. So after that just click on OK to apply the thicken border in Excel. So that's it. You can see on data the thicken border is applied. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.